Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I want to show you a live example why downspout extensions are too important here in Canada. See, this is my downspout, okay, coming, and I have put extension that takes it away from the walkway. Now I'll show you for my neighbor. Do you see this? He also has a downspout extension, but technically it's not doing anything because you have it here, right? So if you don't install it over there, what's gonna do? Water's gonna fall right there. And with the downspout extension, it's just half of it, or 10-20 centimeters ahead. It's not doing anything because see, first of all, see how the water that has come out has spread, and now you can see it has formed ice. How risky is it if someone puts their leg on it? Imagine what it could do. So when you do downspout extension, you have to plan nicely. Something like this is not going to help. It has to come somewhere here so that it gap where there's like ground beneath, no concrete, so that water can exit safely. This is not doing anything, but see the risk. See how slippery this is if you step on it. Okay, so it's a very small investment, and what I would recommend, don't buy something like this. You know why? Because I did have something like that and it just cracked with extreme winter. I used this one. These are really good, and even after like few days in operation, they are working really well, and I have absolutely no complaint. So this is why, guys, I recommend you buy something like this. Depending upon the length of concrete or walkway you have, you may need to apply more extension, or just one would be fine. But kit is important and extension is up to you, like if you want to add more. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.